Alright, you guys, this picanha is finished. It's done. It was only on here for about 55 minutes and it went up to about 135 degrees. That's currently at medium rare, but it's probably going to finish at medium, which is okay by me. So this was my first attempt at this rotisserie. I went ahead and drilled right through the steel and drilled and tapped quarter 20 hole right here to install this bracket, and the rest is history. It worked out great. First time, I'm happy with it. So let's get this off. Let's go ahead and carve into it and let's see what it looks like inside. So I'm going to slice this with the grain just to separate it, and then I'm going to carve it against the grain. Oh yeah. So let's taste this. Holy crap, that is freaking tender. Look at that. Look at that. Look how juicy that looks. That's my piece. Pick a piece.
Dip it in the juice.
Good technique. Just needs a little bit of salt on the.
I'm ready.
Are you? Hit it with a little bit of salt. Bam! Look at that. Oh man. Well, I'm gonna call that rotisserie mod a success, and I'm gonna say that turning a whole picanha like this is also a success. That's pretty damn good. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at all that juice.